And listen, Mr. Bodges is not on high on my totem pole here. I mean, he shows up to court drunk. He was on there yelling F this, whatever on Zoom here a couple weeks ago.
All right, Your Honor, this is just cause termination.
Yeah.
Mr. Bodges, back in November, I believe it was November 1st, he assaulted 2 residents at the community. This isn't the first time either. This has been an ongoing issue. I mean, I have police reports dating back from, gosh, I have one from December 24. I have trespass.
Is that the serious case that's pending as a felony?
Yes, this is the one where one count is assault with intent to do great bodily harm less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 3, assault with dangerous weapon, felonious assault. And last but not least, habitual offender. 4th offense, notice mandatory 2,500 sentence. Your Honor, the community is tired of having SWAT teams come over. Residents are complaining. It's unfair to the residents. We asked the court to terminate the residency of Mr. Bodges.
Your name, sir? This is an old note, I hope, John.
No, sir.
Smell like booze again?
No. Is he drinking again? Is this what's going on? Because then I asked for a default judgment. This is the second time. If he can't come in here without being...
All right, slow down.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
He's downtown.
I don't want to hear about it. You're almost causing me to have to call the judge down there if there's a no alcohol provision and tell the judge you're violating his or her bond or whoever said it.
Mm.
Here I come.
All right, hang on a second here. Why did I adjourn this? Can you tell me?
Adjourned because we were trying to... He was supposed to have his trial prior to today's date. I looked on the register of actions, and he has a competency hearing, and the trial is now postponed till July. I'll tell you exactly. Yeah.
No, you can just tell me. I believe you.
Right, so his jury trial's at 9 a.m. on July 13th. Competency hearing.
This was the charge of felonious assault or something.
Right, yeah, this is the bunch of them probably armed.
Well, what do you...
All right, and Your Honor, here's what's been going on between now and then, okay? Mr. Bodges still can't handle abiding by the community rules and regulations. He, just yesterday, I think it was yesterday?
Sometime over the weekend.
Okay, wait a minute. I need her to tell me her name that you spoke.
Oh, yes, this is Suzanne Bryan. She is the community manager for Granite Valley. So she's in charge of, obviously, tenant files and making sure folks abide by the community rules. Well, he had a couch which he put out in front of his house, bulk items. He was written up saying you have to have a sticker for bulk items. So what does he do? He puts it in front of lot 442. Now, is that something that we need to condone? No.
I do that. Back where I keep my couch, I would go in a store.
Yeah, okay.
John, give him PBT.
Okay.
Mom's brothers.
I'm going to give you another PBT. I hope you didn't drive here, Mr. Bodges. Well, you don't have the right to be late. Come on up here, Mr. Bodges. Oh, two.
It's not Deerfield, it's Grand
Televalley.
Jeez. I got more folders up here than I know what to do with. Where's that one? There it is. Granite Valley versus Ronald Allen Bodges, 260001. Your name again?
John Capitan, P61901.
It's only an 025, but even if you got an Uber, I don't know why in the world you'd be drinking at this time, but that's your life. You're certainly able to understand here. So you're trying to evict based on what emanated from the criminal case, correct?
Correct.
And I said, I felt uncomfortable with that. I don't remember this one, to be honest. I know I would think though, and I probably said I feel uncomfortable because it's a civil case. He's got the right to remain silent on the criminal case. Therefore, I adjourned it, right?
Right. Because there's
I
trial.
can't do anything differently than that.
Well, if you're gonna adjourn it again, I asked for an interim order that Mr. Bodis has to abide by all the community rules and regulations. If he doesn't, then we can apply immediately for a writ of eviction or.
Under what law theory do I have that?
Well, right now, he's doing it again. I told you.
Well, but you can, hang on a second. Wait a minute. She's raising her hand. He's talking out of turn. Everybody's acting like I can make my own rules here. What do you want to say? If he is violating community rules in other respects, I need you to file a separate notice to quit for that. And then I need to have a hearing as to whether or not he put this silly couch out there. You're just looking for trouble. But just to say evict him now because he put a couch out without a trial or a hearing, I can't do that. Go ahead, tell me what you want to say.
Your Honor, this has been a pattern with this case.
Sure it is, but he still has the right to hearings.
It goes over
It
and
might be.
every time I go to send him to court, he's in jail. So, I mean, I've been there since 19 and he has violated, I have police reports where he's using drugs, alcohol, getting in fights with neighbors, harassing neighbors, having unauthorized people in his home.
Please don't act like I can just make up my own rules here. You got a complaint to recover possession. This is what it says. Upon information and belief, this is them, your lawyers talking to the defendant. You physically assaulted another resident of the community with Volvat. Such said actions were reported to the police and necessitating police involvement. That's the charge he's here for. That's the felonious assault charge. That's the felonious assault charge that's still pending in the circuit court. It's the same one that the judge ordered a competency exam on. I cannot, in good conscience, make him have a trial on that at this time before that criminal case is up. If there are other allegations, you're going to have to file separate notices to quit. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. You're just playing with fire. You're smirking, right? Are you smirking?
Who, me?
Yeah, you. I'm talking to you.
I'm not smirking. I got no teeth, Your Honor.
Well, you don't go out and violate rules like this.
I don't leave the house, Your Honor.
You're gonna be on the homeless train here if you keep doing this. But I can't do anything here. What are you asking? What can I do? Well, this is still the United States. I mean, I can't just make up my own rules. I'm sorry. I don't know what you want me to do. I can adjourn this another 3-4 weeks. I hate to adjourn this, to tell you the truth.
Well, I want him out of the community.
Well, I know, so you might want him out of the community.
So you know what? Whatever it's gonna take, I'll do another 30 day. We'll bring 30 days.
That's
next year.
fine. You can do whatever you want.
You know, and I guess we'll wait on this case
So-
until this is done. Right?
You're gonna have to.
Right.
I mean, I don't feel comfortable doing it another way.
Okay.
I still gotta protect people's rights. So that's the best I can do. Why don't I adjourn this out 3 weeks? And I don't know why, a date that you're coming here again. Maybe something will magically occur and because I'm getting, this case been going on a while. I'll adjourn it. Jennifer, can you tell me
Yes,
when
Judge.
Mr. Levine's office is here again in the next 3-4 weeks? I know you are. So
Yeah,
let's just
they're
do
here
it 4
next
weeks
week.
out.
Okay, I don't have any dates for them yet for April 6th. So that would be 3
Well,
weeks out.
that's only 3 weeks. I was gonna go to the 13th. Am I here?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, we can do the
Let's-
13th. I don't have anything scheduled yet.
That's a Monday, right?
Yep.
Yes. The
Do we wanna
13th
do
at 9 o'clock?
10 o'clock?
Is that good?
Yeah.
10 o'clock. We'll make it at 10 o'clock.
And we'll
Uh,
make sure we try to put everything else at
Yeah,
10 for
Mr.
'em, I think.
Hodges, you're just going out of your way, please. Stop. No? No, I don't need to hear from you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Peninsula Ridge versus Jody Jackson's 260705.